Welcome back. Let's now shift focus to the state of Bihar and tell you what exactly is the situation when it comes to the testing process. Remember, this is a state that is reporting upwards of 2,000 cases daily. But are the tests enough that are happening at the moment? So what we found out here is that at a time when the state is reporting an average of over 2,000 cases on a daily basis, Mir now conducted an analysis on ground to see if enough tests were being done to actually throw up the real and authentic figures of the positive cases, and if there are cases underreported hugely in Bihar. So what we found out is that the tests conducted between 1st and 10th of April and 1st and 10th of May and compared it to the positivity rate detected during that period, we found out was that there has been a 40% dip in RT-PCR tests and bare 22% increase in rapid antigen tests at a time when Bihar reported a 10-time increase in the positivity rate between April and May. So Ayushman is joining us to explain to us more about this data. Ayushman, it's very easy for us to throw a lot of figures, but we need to make sense of this. Between April and May, what exactly is the difference that you see in Bihar when it comes to the positivity rate vis-a-vis the testing that is being done in the state?
Well, it is very important to clarify here that Bihar never followed the 70-30 RT-PCR and antigen ratio. We went through the data of first 10 days of April and first 10 days of May. First 10 days of May is the time when India was reporting the large number of cases, and we wanted to understand how the state of Bihar was testing. Now, in the first 10 days of April, Bihar, on an average, tested around 25,422 people through antigen tests, and 1,043 people tested positive on an average, which was having a positivity rate of 3.7%. Now, if you compare it to that of the month of May, the tests increased. 31,084 people were being tested. Now, 4,992 people tested positive on an average. The positivity rate jumped from 3% to that of 16%, but that increase is not definitely reflected in the antigen testing. But the worrying trend here is, Afrida, in the RT-PCR testing, because in Bihar, RT-PCR testing on an average in the month of April was 34,000. 929 people on an average tested positive. 2.69% is the positivity rate. But if you compare it to that of May, 40% decline of RT-PCR test is there, which means only 20,000 people were testing positive. The positivity rate increased by tenfold. 20% positivity was there in Bihar. More than 3,800 people were testing positive by RT-PCR, but the state government never increased the RT-PCR testing, and they rather decreased it. Bihar has seen a decrease of 40% of RT-PCR tests, while there has been an increase in more than tenfold in the positivity rate, what we are seeing from the state of Bihar.
Yes, which is why positivity rates sometimes can be misleading. One always has to find out what is the level of testing going on, because like you said, we see a huge change when the testing is increased even marginally in the positivity rate. Thanks for joining us with the latest.